Hey Rex, hope all is well on your end. Today we have some bone-in jerk chicken. Now the chicken is already jerk. I'm just gonna cut it up. No Rex, look how juicy this is. Oh my. This smells so good, guys. Whoa. Look at that, guys. It smells so good. Okay guys, here we have jerk chicken lettuce bowl and we're going to tell you what is in it on the video.
Hey Rex.
Hey Rex.
Welcome back.
Welcome back.
And welcome back.
And welcome back.
And welcome back.
Welcome back.
Welcome back to our channel. If you are new here, please don't forget to subscribe for the vibes.
Whenever you see it, it's okay for you to share it. Give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Baby, tell them what we're eating.
Today we're having a jerk chicken lettuce bowl. And baby did this all by herself. I know. So we're gonna say grace, and then I'll tell you guys what's in the bowl. The Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want. He maketh me to lie down in green pastures. He leadeth me beside the still waters. He restoreth my soul. Amen. So we have some lettuce for the bowl. We have tomato. We have some sweet pepper, yellow and red, and some rice and peas. And the main ingredient is the jerk chicken.
Bone in with the bone in. We wanted the bone in.
Yeah. And we have some extra jerk sauce on the side, homemade. Okay. Okay. I hope you guys have been having a wonderful, wonderful, wonderful start of the week.
That jerk sauce me up.
Okay. Look at this, baby. There we are. I hope you guys enjoyed your first bite. Whoa.
Oh my.
What is it?
This is really good.
So as you guys know, we took a trip to New York. We haven't been to New York in what, 3 years?
About, yeah.
Yeah. So it was a rather tiring trip. I mean, when you have to take the subway and everything, it gets tiring.
Alright.
Sorry.
I actually enjoy taking the subway.
Me too. It's one thing that I never thought I would miss, but I actually did miss it. It was actually really nice doing it.
Well, what was your favorite part though?
My favorite part was actually seeing my daddy. That was my favorite part. What was yours?
Sitting in the park, waiting for you. That was my favorite part. But
Okay.
Baby's making a whole mess.
I'm sorry.
I feel so bad for her. Mm. Mm. My favorite part was sitting in the park with you at night.
I miss that too.
And
We
just
used to do
talking.
so much walking in New York.
Mm-hmm. But we're not used to it no more.
I know, but funny enough, every time we go to New York, we always end up doing a lot of walking in the park at nights, where we sit and talk as like we usually do.
It was also fun seeing all the people that we left up there.
Oh my gosh. You think that after you go away or you move away from somewhere, after a while people tend to forget about you? Or they don't remember you, you know? Every time we go to New York, it's like the same thing every time. These people act, it's like they saw us yesterday. Every time we go to New York, it's like they saw us yesterday and they remember everything about us, and it's just nothing changed. And that's the New York atmosphere that I love so much.
Guys, tell me if you like a chicken with bone in or no bone. I could do it both ways.
Yep.
You know?
Yeah.
Bone in. So you like dark meat?
Yeah.
You like the dark meat?
I love the dark meat.
Isn't that awesome? Because I love the white meat.
Oh.
Babe over here getting freaky, y'all.
But let us know which part of the meat you like the most. Comment down below and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up for this delicious jerk chicken lettuce bowl.
Real life. You're already messy. All the rice and stuff fell out the lettuce.
You know, the lettuce is rather crunchy though. It's really fresh. So, did you see anybody that you didn't or wanted to see and haven't seen in a while?
No,
Okay.
I haven't seen my mom in a while. But then I saw her, so. But, you know, the difference is me. I talk to her every day.
I know, but that's the difference between you and I, because then I don't talk to Daddy every day. So me seeing him is so refreshing.
Yeah.
And it's always so nice. Because I don't practice calling every day like you do.
This is good though.
It is. You know what? I thought the spice wasn't gonna kick in. But if you eat it long enough, you get a little bit of spice.
You feeling the burn? I'm gonna spray some
I don't know if you guys can see the jerk sauce on this.
I'm gonna spray some of this on it to see what's going on now. Close your eyes, babe.
Okay.
Alright. It's not a dinner, yo. We haven't sit like this in a while.
I hope you guys miss seeing us like this, because I guess we've missed it a little bit sitting now.
Yeah. That's how you do it. I'm gonna eat another, and I'm gonna wrap it up tightly.
That looks like a better wrap than the other ones.
Yeah.
Alright, so I'm gonna finish this one.
Bonus to it.
Yeah.
These are messy though.
Very.
Tastes good,
But messy.
messy.
So, how long before you take another trip to New York?
I'll give it another 3 years. I didn't miss it as much because Friday's more laid back, you know.
I know. We'll have a quick update though. The restaurant that we met at, it was just apparently closed on Sunday. We did end up ordering from there, and to be honest, the food was just as we remembered it. That was the only food that we ordered that we actually enjoyed. So I'm happy they're still open.
And we ordered the same thing. I met Jay ordering cargo.
Very much so. And if you can't tell by now that we love curry goat, then go watch a few videos down. You'll see a curry goat and cow foot mukbang sitting right there. It's not too far away. And don't forget to like this video, comment on this video. What part of the chicken do you like the most? Do you like the dark meat or the white meat? And where haven't you been in a while that you would like to go to, where everybody knows your name?
Sometimes I wanna go where everybody knows my name, and they're always glad we came.
Happy? So, comment down below and let us know. And I hope you guys are having something wonderful to eat. I have missed you guys, if you can't tell, because I'm just rambling on and on while baby's finishing the bowl. So
Baby's always finishing something.
yeah, very much so.
I'm gonna eat some chicken. The chicken is juicy.
Okay. I'm pretty sure we're gonna have this later.
Pretty sure.
Yeah.
Okay, guys.
Thank you guys for always supporting us. Thank you guys for always commenting, and don't forget to comment on this video. Thank you guys for always liking this video, and don't forget to like this video. Thank you guys for always subscribing, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.
Alright guys, whatever Babe said. Until we meet again, until we see you again, have a good time, have a fun time, have a jolly time. Hey guys, put laughter in your life. It will light it up.
Bye, Rats.